We're living in such a time where the hearts of people have gone cold, and the hearts of them have gotten so vicious that they don't value the life of others. Now, we came across a story that happened just Friday of this week in which the police are reporting that they have found two headless bodies believed to be males in an area known as Whitehall Avenue. We're going to discuss this on the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and also click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post the video on our platform. So the story that I want to talk about today on the program is that the police are reporting that they have found two headless bodies in Whitehall Avenue. But before we divulge the details of this, let me just talk a little bit with you as it relates to what's going on in our country and also the world in general. Jamaica is such a wonderful place. Beautiful island with our beaches, mountain, our rivers, and also the warm camaraderie of the Jamaican people. When we look on the tourism product of Jamaica itself, with our wonderful hotels and also certain resorts and attractions that are available right across the country, we should be grateful and we should be praising our land of Jamaica, because when we look around the world, certain things that we have to our advantage, certain countries don't have it. And when we look on the space of killing that has been wreaking havoc from this year and even years back, it's a cause for concern. And we really need to just start valuing life more. We don't know what is causing these level of high speeds of criminality that even females at times are caught in the whole entire situation. We have seen a number of females losing their life from this year even into last year. We have seen it being played out, and it's becoming more and more alarming, the number of females' life that are being taken due to violent circumstances or issues that could have been resolved in a different situation. We have a wonderful land. We have a land of the tropics, Jamaica, and our island is so beautiful. We have so much things to offer to the world. However, we are slowly killing it with crime and violence. So the police are reporting that they have found two headless bodies in Whitehall Avenue off Reddy's Road in St. Andrew, and this incident is said to have happened on Friday. So according to reports, around 5 p.m., police were alerted to a premises on Plumtree Lane in a section of the community where they discovered two males without their head. Sources said that the bodies as well had several gunshot wounds, and the police have not yet identified the two individuals that were found, and they are carrying out their investigation still in order to ascertain the identities of the two individuals that were found at that premises. In a situation such as this that happened in Whitehall, it's very clear that this was a targeted attack on these two individuals. We're not sure whether or not they were involved in any criminal activities or what might have led to their demise. However, they were taken out in the most vicious and cruel manner there is. They were beheaded. They were also shot according to reports. We cannot confirm that, but the police have confirmed that their heads are missing, and we're not sure up to the publication of this report whether or not the heads of these two individuals were found. But when we look on this level of crime and this level of violence in our country, it's very alarming to see the space of criminal activities that has been taking place and the level of crime and the severity to which these people will take it. They sever your head from your body. It just goes to show you that they don't value life. They don't value nothing as it relates to living, especially when you step on their toe or you come across their path in a way in which they think that is the time for you to be out this world. Now, when we see this situation and we see them playing out in certain areas, it's a cause for concern. And it just goes to show that we are living in a time right now where things are not like before. Things and times are very serious, and we have to just take things as it is. We can't take things for granted right now, because gone are the days when you will look on a situation and you will just walk it over or you'll just sidestep it. Now people are taking matters into their own hands. So as best as possible as you can avoid problems with people is best for you in this current time that we're living in. The time that we're living right now, the hearts of people, it has gone cold. It's like they're living in the freezer. They don't value life. Their feelings have frozen from years now. And when we see this situation played out, it just goes to show you that these individuals, they're heartless. So you can't go across their path in a negative way. Once you do that, your light is out. And we have seen so many instances, even family members paying in order to get rid of other family members. So we have to just be mindful of these things and just see what is happening around us and try to avoid these situations, because we have seen them playing out in more than one instance, and we have seen how they have ended in people losing their lives from time to time. We just want to implore you though that with what is going on, we can't let this damper our spirit, and we just have to just try to live our life in the best possible way there is. Despite what is going on, we have to still maintain that composure and keep that level of stability within our life, and just try our very best to be as best as possible as we can. I'm gonna leave this one here for now. You can just drop it in the comment section how you feel about this story, and just let me know how you felt. This is Links TV taking you out from another one. Peace, bless.